completing our review video for Chapter 10, Section 3, Chapter 10, Section 3. And as always, we're going to start with our learning target. We're going to solve problems by making a model. So here, let's jump right into a problem here. It says Caitlin is arranging her desks in her classroom. There are 32 desks, and she wants to have twice as many desks in each row as in each column. Twice as many desks in each row as in each column. Use a model to determine how many desks she should put in each row and how many rows she will need. Well, as I look at this, first of all, I need 32 desks. So I'm going to let this little square represent a desk. And I'm going to say, well, if this becomes my rows, and there's 4 of them, so then I need to have twice as many columns going this way. So there'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And of course, if I fill all these in for each and every one of the rows and columns, the trick will be at the end is there 32 desks as she needs in her room? Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If I have 8 more in this row, 8 and 16 would be 24. And then 8 in the last one would be 32. So this arrangement does work. There are 4 disks in each row, and there are 16 rows or columns. So that arrangement would work. So that's the answer in this case. You just have to do it by somewhat trial and error until it works out. We got lucky and it worked out the first time. Mrs. Wilson wants to arrange the tables into a square that is open in the middle and has eight tables on each side. I'm going to start across the back of the room here with 8 tables. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I'm going to go up the side here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 on this side. And then coming up this way, I'm going to count backwards here: 7, 6, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now across the bottom here, I've got 1 table here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can see I'm off in my scale here a little bit because I didn't draw the same, but this would connect with that to be the 8th. So if I go across here, there's 8. If I go across here, there's 8. 8 to here, 8 and 8 is 16 so far. And then I've got this side, which there'd be 6 in. And if I looked at this side, there would also be 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 16 is 28. We need 28 tables to make this work. All of the problems that you're going to be working with today are these kind of things where you do some drawing and some trial and error until you find the way to make it work.